The next Bitcoin halving, what nobody tells you. Everyone is talking about the Bitcoin halving, but most people miss the real point. Forget all the hype. There's one thing about this whole event that hardly anyone talks about. An uncomfortable truth that could completely change your understanding of the crypto market. Are you ready to hear it? Welcome to 10x Crypto, your channel for honest, data-driven altcoin analysis. My name is Marius, and my background is actually in quality management. There I learned that decisions should never be based solely on gut feeling, but always on clear data. That's exactly how my passion and my 10x formula came about. With my exclusive formula, I analyze altcoins using 20 different metrics. I rate each one from 0 to 10. In the end, you get a clear result in percent, 4 different price scenarios, and the vision 2030. What could still happen with prices by 2030? At the end, you also get a chart analysis, and I'll show you what I would do now. Buy, sell, or wait. My goal is simple: to give you clarity in a market full of hype. So if you're looking for data-driven altcoin analyses and want to know which altcoins really have massive potential, then subscribe to my channel now. Here, you make decisions based on facts, not hype. But a quick disclaimer, my channel is not financial advice, it's purely for informational purposes. The next Bitcoin halving is just around the corner and it's getting closer and closer. There's a state of emergency here. Price predictions, wild dreams of 100-fold gains, and the eternal hope for quick riches. But the real question is, what happens after the euphoria dies down again? Today, it's not about speculation, but about having a strategy. I'll show you how to position yourself smartly after the halving and what you can do for the next 4 to 10 years. But first, why is the halving overrated? Of course, during the halving, Bitcoin's block rewards are cut in half. Less new supply? That sounds bullish at first, but this effect has been known for years and is already priced in. Just look at the past. The big price increases after the last halvings never happened right on day X. They came months later, driven by completely different factors. The truth is, if you only focus on the halving, you'll quickly end up chasing the crowd. But smart money thinks long term, not in hype dates. But who is actually the real driver behind Bitcoin now? The halving is just a moment, but the real drivers are 3 other things. First, institutional adoption. BlackRock, Fidelity, ETFs. Billions are flowing into the market. Second, technological progress. Lightning Network, ordinals, layer 2 solutions. Bitcoin is constantly evolving, moving away from being just a store of value toward becoming a versatile network. Third, the macro environment. Inflation, geopolitical uncertainties, digitalization. More and more people are looking for a safe haven, and that's exactly where Bitcoin plays to its strengths. So my question to you is, what do you think will be more important in the coming years? The halving or adoption? Write it in the comments. Now, of course, the question is, how do you position yourself strategically? Exactly, that's the question now. First, your strategy should be based on long-term thinking. Dollar cost averaging, meaning buying regularly instead of going all in during the hype. Second, think in terms of portfolios. Bitcoin as the core, as digital gold, and around it, altcoins with real use cases. Third, the right mindset. You're not investing in the next halving, you're investing in the digitalization of the monetary system. The goal is to position yourself so that it's still relevant in 10 years. Conclusion: the halving isn't a lottery ticket, it's just a symbol. It's a reminder of why Bitcoin exists in the first place. Limited supply versus unlimited fiat money. But the real question is, are you strategically positioned when institutions take over the market? So if you want data-driven crypto analysis without the hype, then subscribe to my channel now, leave a like for me, and share your opinion in the comments. Because here on my channel there are no empty promises. No hype, just data. Let's 10x. And here I have a portfolio of just 5 coins that could have massive growth potential. Check out the next video.